Let's see, this is the Samadhi Stall of Mahatma Gandhi, where I reached at the entrance gate of the Samadhi Stall of the Mahatma Gandhi Rajghat, which is located here just close to the Indrapat metro station. So I am going to explain and visit the Samadhi Stall resting place of the Mahatma Gandhi Rajghat, which is located here near to the metro station of Indraprast. So Samadhi Stall is there, the Samadhi Stall of the Jawaharlal Nehru, which is also located here just in front of close to the Shantivan. Samadhi of the Stall of the Indira Gandhi, which is also located just close to this one. Shakti Stall, the Samadhi Stall resting place of the Chaudhary Charan Singh Prime Minister, which is also located here. Kisan Ghat, Samadhi Stall resting place of the Bir Bhumi, which is also located, which is a Samadhi Stall of the Rajiv Gandhi Bir Bhumi. And the Sadaiv Atal Samadhi Stall, which is resting place of the Atal Bihari Vajpayee, which is also located close to this. So I am going to first visit the Rajghat, which is Samadhi Stall of the Mahatma Gandhi, the father of Indian nation. So let's see the view. This is the entrance of the Samadhi Stall. So I am going to visit and explain in details about the Samadhi Stall. Thank you so much, and stay updated for it.
Rajghat is a memorial in Delhi where Mahatma Gandhi was cremated following his assassination by Nathuram Godse in the year of 1948 on 30 January in Birla House. So the place which built in his memory is a simple black marble structure seated in the middle of a beautiful garden. So the memorial is frequently visited by so many locals and foreign who pay their respects to Mahatma Gandhi at the Samadhi Stall of Mahatma Gandhi Rajghat. So a memorial was built to pay homage to father of the nation, which here Rajghat is located on the bank of Yamuna river in Old Delhi. And nearest metro station is Indraprast metro station, and even Qutub Minar, which is also located close from here, which is also visible from the here. So it is looking so good. And let's see, right now I am just in front. This is a entry gate of the Rajghat where Mahatma Gandhi was cremated. So I am going to visit inside this Rajghat. This is a entry, we can see.
Hello friends, let's see the view of the Rajghat. I just came inside the Rajghat complex, which is the Samadhi Stall resting place of the Mahatma Gandhi, who is our father of nation. So I am going to see the view of the Samadhi Stall, exact location of the resting place of the Mahatma Gandhi to tribute today. So let's see the view. It's really very neat and clean, which is located on the bank of Yamuna river in Delhi. So stay update me and get the lots of information regarding the Rajghat. Thank you so much.
So on the one side, in the external flame burns perpetually, and on the another side the last words of the Mahatma Gandhi, which was told by Mahatma Gandhi, "Hey Ram," meaning "Oh God," is inscribed in front of the Rajghat of Samadhi Stall of Mahatma Gandhi. So the memorial reflects the simplicity of father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi ji life, a aspiring program, and the Sarv Dharma Sampradam is held every Friday at the Samadhi Stall of Mahatma Gandhi. So this is the way. From this way I am going towards the Mahatma Gandhi Samadhi Stall of Rajghat in Rajghat complex. So Mahatma Gandhi, who was born at Porbandar in Gujarat on 2nd October in 1868, who completed his study from the London in law, who worked as a lawyer in South Africa. Then he returned to India in 1915 on 9 January, on which they were celebrating as a Bharatiya Pravarsi Divas. And let's see, this is the view of the Qutub Minar, which is also visible from the here clearly from the Rajghat. So, and then who was born on 2nd October in 1869 and marked in Delhi Birla House on 30 January 1948, where he got martyred. So his Samadhi Stall, which is located at Rajghat, symbolizes truth, non-violence, Sarv Dharma Sampabhava, Gram Swaraj, and trusteeship, and the Swadeshi. So this is the way. From this way I am going to the main complex of the Rajghat.
So I am just close to the Samadhi Astal of Mahatma Gandhi where I am going, and this is the shoe store where we have to remove our slippers and shoes to keep in the shoe store before entering into the Samadhi Astal of the Mahatma Gandhi. So I just right now came and enter into the complex of the Rajghat in Samadhi Astal of the Mahatma Gandhi. So let's see the view and let's feel the silence from this Samadhi Astal of Mahatma Gandhi, because it is good to maintain the silence here. So let's see the last word which was used by the Mahatma Gandhi as a Hey Ram, which is also written on the Samadhi Astal of Mahatma Gandhi. Just right now I reached to the Samadhi Astal resting place of the Mahatma Gandhi, which is located called to be as the Rajghat, which is located at the bank of Yamuna River in New Delhi. So this is the view, and who got salvation on 30 January in 1948, where he took the last breath. So this is the view of the Samadhi Astal of Mahatma Gandhi. So the last word of Mahatma Gandhi which was used as a Hey Ram, which is also written here. So this is the view of Samadhi Astal. Hey Ram. Thank you so much.
this is the final details about the Rajghat from the Delhi. So thank you so much, friend.